Yeah. And then record it. Record on it. Yes. Yeah. Today I am discussing about the oxygen cylinder. About three things I speak here. Number one thing, what is the oxygen? Okay. And second thing is how you can give the oxygen and emergency. Okay. And third thing, when you can give the oxygen. Somebody is somebody says that the oxygen is good. It takes oxygen. This is not good. This oxygen is very, very dangerous. Because it is same gas. You see, oxygen is matter to life. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. Oxygen is only gas that will support life. Only this is very, very important for life. But if this is limited, when the up, this is danger for you. And then limit is the low, this is not good for you. Because this limit when, in the air, outside in the air, 19.5 to 21 to 23, like this, in the air, have in the air. Okay? And then, you see, if oxygen content falls below 16% volume, by volume, you can lose of consumption. Okay? If oxygen content falls below 13%, outside 13%, then you, if you see 13%, then volume, you may also brain damage. Your brain is damaged. Then when the 13%, below the 13% oxygen in the air. Okay. Your oxygen in the air. Then must be 21% in the outside. And somebody is I look, somebody is said, this is oxygen is good, and anybody happened lose of the consumption outside the 1% is give to the oxygen, because his lose of consumption about maybe heat, is no need to the oxygen. You see, when is any person need oxygen, then you give, but this no give you any person, because this oxygen is not good. When is the 20% is up the oxygen, then maybe it blocks inside the block. This is not really safe for you. Okay. Then second thing, how you can use this oxygen. This I speak you last time. And okay, this I show you some pictures, but this is not in Gurgaon. This is outside. You see, this person is died here. This person is died. He's how died? You see, this so many times they are working same like I am going working same like this. Okay, but about you take care about you work with safety. And you second this one. This guy is cannot give first aid or anything, because it's no need first aid, because it's direct side. Yeah, these are pulling the hammer and removing this one, and hammer is come back, and his same time is died. The same time died. Okay. And this is 15 meters. This fell down from 15 meters above. It's working outside 15 meters. Yeah. But it's no safety, bed or something like this is working. It's died. You see? Same time is no need first aid is direct die. Okay. And last this one. You see, this is only fell down from 2 meters. Only 2 meters. But he's died. Why is died? His housekeeping is not good. You see, some pipe or something is on the ground. This put the pipe and at the same time it's closed. Same time. Okay? Because we must need housekeeping or everything you take care about the housekeeping. And you see, this whole weight is 1 ton. Sometimes working here, you do it like this. And you see. And if this person have safety glasses, have everything, but is coming out the ground. You see? And then he is died. You see what? Then you take care about this. And next, you this one, you see, this is helmet, glass, everything is okay now. Okay? But his working is not safe condition. Is after that his eye is finished. One eye is finished. You see? Then you work very, very safe. And last one, if we have any happened here, any person's injury in the fracture inside here or here, bones is fracture, you don't keep and put in the vehicle. Please you check first where is the fracture in bone. Huh? If the bones is a fracture, you can give him support. You take a cloth and like this rope and you close this one. Okay? Then you send to me in base camp or hospital. Like, okay? You don't take and put the vehicle and send to the hospital. Because if you are not to give him as an example, his fracture is here. Fracture is here. Then you don't give him the support. Give him support. Then he is going to during the day, is like this, maybe is broken inside. And after that 1 hour, 2 hours, you go to the doctor. Doctor said, no, he's not fractured there. He need to be cut here from here. It must be you give him support and then you get sent to the hospital. And okay, this is the procedure. And last one, how you can use this oxygen plunger. Before 5 days, what happened in 1093? One person is turned on the oxygen actuator. Nobody knows. Just especially today, and this is about this one. Before 5 days, not about any person in Rig 109. And what he is doing there, he's doing and too much person, two pushes, and he's like this, he's taking outside. But after he takes, he said, no, this is empty. Right? You see, he's showing it empty. No, it's empty. After that, he takes to the company man. Company man said, oh, this is empty. After that, he said, report to the Schwebo Geo 52. And now you see, this one, yes, now it's showing refill. Okay. Now, when you open here, now you see it's full pressure. And it's coming the oxygen. You see? And coming the oxygen. Here now. Here. You first remove from here. Much. Okay? Now, okay. If you remove it from here, like this, remove from here, you cannot give him oxygen. You cannot open. Can't open. Any much? Yes,
Unbalanced.
No, take out. And you said, first you check from here, huh? Remove from here. Now you see now it's empty, and now you see it's full. Okay? Because now it is okay, clear. It's full. And then you can give him oxygen in for emergency. You see any person is breathing like this, and same time you need to be oxygen, and you can give him. And in emergency, H2S gas, you can give him quickly. Okay? And you can give him this side, which you cannot outside. From there. So, there, and this one. Like this. Okay? And like this. And you open from here. Yes. It's coming up. Yeah. Any same this. Did you have any questions about everybody know?